So you wanna flex at your local gym for only 10 bucks? I got you, my man. I found these AirPods Max replicas on Aliexpress. They got nearly 9,000 reviews, mostly 5-star ratings, so why not give them a shot? Hey, what's up guys, it's Joey here, and the package finally arrived from China, so let's carefully open it. And surprisingly, the box is labeled as STN-01, even though they were advertised as P9 wireless headphones. I'm a bit confused, but should not be a big deal. They seem to be the same thing, so let's open the freaking box. And as you can see, I have opted for the blue color, but if you're not a fan of blue, they have 5 other colors available to choose from. Alright, let's see what else comes in the box. Inside the box you will find a double-sided 3.5 aux cable and a USB-C charging cable. I'm glad they use USB-C. They're even ahead of Apple in this department. Apple still sells these with the Lightning port in 2024. See, Apple, take notes and make the AirPods Max USB-C already. Alright, first impressions. Well, they obviously don't mimic the original AirPods Max exactly, but for 10 bucks it's not too shabby. Despite the plastic build, they're pretty lightweight and the glossy look catches the light beautifully. There is no digital crown obviously, but again, they do something better than the originals. What is that, you might ask? They do have a power off button, which the original AirPods Max doesn't have. See, right from the get-go they're better in some aspects. I'm joking of course, but let me say this, the pads are comfortable and soft plastic. The top of the headband is made of hard plastic, but does not hurt the head. I even like the top more than on the original, because the originals use some kind of a weird mesh and it's not that comfortable. These fake AirPods Max, instead of a mesh, are using a soft sponge, providing surprising comfort. Not bad. And speaking of comfort, they weigh only 162 grams compared to the 385 grams of the original AirPods Max. Okay, what about the music quality, you might ask? To be frank, the music quality is average. They're real bass heavy, almost like the Beats, but are lacking in mids and treble. But for 10 bucks gas station headphones, they do the job. The noise cancelling surprised me at first. Of course it's not active, it's just caused by the pad's material, so don't expect any transparency mode or anything like that, but they isolate the external noises pretty good. I really enjoy vacuuming the house while blasting music with these. I can barely hear the vacuum sound, so yeah. Okay, battery life. So the battery life is decent, lasting around 5 hours of music playback with a 2-hour charging time. However, the constant please charge voice notification at around 30% battery is annoying.
No battery, please charge.
They support Bluetooth 5.3 and I was really surprised with their range. I could walk quite a distance from my phone and the music still played seamlessly. Plus, I don't know how they do that, but they magically switch between my Mac and the iPhone. I don't know how they do this. I never pair them with my Mac, and once I go from my phone to my Mac, they switch automatically, which is pretty cool. So, with that being said, I'm quite satisfied and I plan to use them for home workouts and stuff. And if I happen to break or lose them, no big deal. And if you want to flex for 10 bucks in your local gym, just get a hoodie and no one will notice you're wearing fake ones. So, okay guys, that's all for now. Have a good one and I'll see you soon.